Hello everyone, welcome back to Batman episode 2. While I'm talking I'm going to turn that down because that's loud. In the last episode we fended off Riddler from attacking Maury, who owns like a local casino, and that's pretty much all we had to get through because I only filmed for about 20 minutes. I will put the subtitles on for people, and yeah, let's just get into this straight away. This should be around about where we left off.
I'd like to see her try.
Special Agent Imana Vesta, Field Intelligence Specialist on the Riddler case. And my partner, Agent Blake.
How do you do?
Hello.
I put together this psychological profile of Riddler. You'll see when you read it. He's changed. For your eyes only, if you catch my drift. The target of the casino.
What's the catch?
Rumi Mori.
There's always a
Any
catch.
idea what Riddler wanted with him?
No.
I figure it has something to do with why he's back in Gotham.
Riddler's just
He's a
insane.
madman. You can't look for reason in someone so clearly deranged.
Riddler does show signs of an obsessive-compulsive disorder, but he's calculating, fiercely intelligent. I'd be surprised if this wasn't part of a bigger plan. Let me know if you think of anything.
I don't know
It'd be a
anything.
help. I'm Gotham born and raised, you know. My dad ran a store in the shadow of City Stadium.
Cool.
I just wanted to say it's a real honor to meet you. I do have something I want to ask, though.
Go ahead.
The criminally insane. You're drawn to them, aren't you?
No.
There's something in you that pulls you towards the danger.
Of course I am.
Chaos, the energy.
Of course I am. They're an obvious target. Just like anyone who threatens Gotham's safety.
Obvious for you. Most people just run the other way.
I'm not most people.
I'm Batman.
I think I know you a little better now.
I'll be in touch. Agent.
Batman, before you go.
What do you
Gotham's your
want
city.
now?
I respect that. But you should know I don't have to play nice. I'm letting you hunt the Riddler for now. You better share everything you find.
What if I don't? What are you gonna do?
This courtesy call is gonna become something you really won't like.
I'm not afraid of you, I'm Batman.
Get me? There's a lot of ways this could go.
Yeah, goodbye. Aha, who's in whose head now? I was gonna say another word there, but then I realised I was filming. Well, recording, same thing. Wayne Manor. Don't you just want to live here? You know what? I would be okay with the back cave alone. Like I don't even need the mansion on top. Just give us a back cave.
What an eventful evening.
Wasn't it, Alfred?
I've taken the liberty of preparing some refreshments.
Ooh, tea.
Thanks, Al. I need to focus. Maybe music will help.
Let's do jazz.
Something cool.
Don't know if jazz is cool, but okay.
The computer is finished scanning the Riddler's puzzle box. It's ready when you are.
Let's get to work.
Ooh, Catwoman.
Selena. She'll turn up again. I'm looking forward to it.
Harvey Dent. Two-Face. And Mr. Oswald. Ooh, wrong button. Mr. Oswald Cobblepot. Now let's go and see what the deal is with this puzzle box.
No explosives detected, no radioactivity. Nothing dangerous at all so far.
Computer, run another scan. I want to be absolutely sure this thing is safe.
Also, I took the liberty of digging up everything I could find on the agency.
Very nice here.
There's plenty here. Know your enemy and all that. It comes and goes. Ever since the kidnapping and all the other business with Lady Arkham. Alfred.
No,
No, don't you worry about me.
I'm always worried about you,
It should be
Alfred.
fine. It was worse after my first tour of duty.
I'll always worry about family.
Alfred. We worry about family. Thank you, Bruce. It'll pass. Working always helps.
Let's see. Inchi
The
files.
agency. The public face of a shadow committee of military leaders, intelligence experts, and government officials. Civil rights violations, domestic black sites, decentralized accountability.
This information, it's all before Waller took over the director position. Perhaps she's given them a new direction.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Maybe.
I don't like
the
it.
agency's empowered to override local law enforcement with impunity.
Well, that man's got some competition in town. I wonder if we need be worried.
Waller
The
seems
Riddler's
dangerous.
a flashy homicidal maniac with a thing for puzzles, and Waller and her agency might be just as dangerous.
Again, Waller
The
may be
enemy
running a more
of my
ethical
enemy
operation these
is my
days.
friend. But the friend of my enemy could also be my friend, and so on and so forth.
Yes. Riddler terrorized this city long before you were Batman.
Gotham's original costumed criminal.
Yes, to have him returned, it's unsettling. I remember when he was the scourge of the underworld. Even Carmine Falcone gave him a wide berth. He was presumed dead for so long. Why come back to Gotham?
Well, he seemed to have a prior relationship with Morty. Some kind of axe to grind.
Business.
Let me upload the rest of this to the Codex. The agency realized Riddler was still alive when he orchestrated a prison break at Peña Duro.
My men here say you let yourself get caught, Mr. Riddler.
Just Riddler.
Why willingly turn yourself in?
Oh, Mr. Warden, to get everyone else out, of course.
My guy knows his mind
That
games.
wasn't obvious.
The man's deranged. If you ask me, he needs help. He's clearly sick. The man is in urgent need of a doctor.
I know
Arkham.
just the place for him.
Arkham Asylum.
Plenty of room at Arkham Asylum.
Next to him, most of the inmates seem like a picture of health.
What was that?
You should see your face. Its confusion is delightful. I think I'll take it with me.
Well, yeah, no. He's not taking my face. I love my face.
I take everything back.
Right, click to back out. Let's see what this puzzle box is all about.
Let's see what Riddler's little gift is all about.
Solve my puzzles soon, or
People will get hurt.
Riddler's MO hasn't changed in all these years.
Open. I wish it was this easy to do in real life, but it's not.
There's writing engraved along the rim. I have an eye, yet
Cannot see. Who am
Who
I?
am I?
That sounds familiar.
It's
I've heard it before.
it's that thing on
To
the
remember the answer
record
here.
thing.
Sadly, no.
What we'll put the music on, whatever it's called, record player. It's the Eye of the Needle. Eye of the Needle.
The eye of a needle.
But how does that relate to the object in question?
Maybe it's
Because
telling us how to use it.
Sounds very plausible.
it's that thing right in front of us. Is that
Look at these strange grooves.
it's a disc. So this record player right here. By the way, before people say, "Oh, you're really smart," which, to be fair, if you said that, you're wrong. I'm not smart at all, but I've played this game before. So,
Halfway there, Batman. Means you've got half a chance of stopping a whole lot of pain. To be honest, you're already doing better than I thought. But don't sit around feeling pleased with yourself. Unless you want to see me tear this city apart.
no.
I suppose you're going to look in there.
An open invitation from the Riddler?
Of course.
Huh. Looks like I'm manipulating radio bands or waveforms. Something. I'm not sure what I'm looking at or how any of it is actually displaying.
And that sound.
What?
That is an annoying sound.
I'm not really sure about any of it. Get Lucius on the line, will you?
Yeah. Get the smartest person.
Hey, Alfred.
Good morning, Lucius. I hope we're not interrupting your breakfast.
My youngest is probably stealing all the bacon, but duty calls. What's up?
This is a puzzle from the Riddler. There's a strange waveform pattern I can manipulate inside that needs your expertise.
Yeah, okay. I can meet you at Wayne Tower in a little bit. We'll, fire up the
The
RV
ID
map.
lamp.
I wouldn't ask if it wasn't important,
No,
Lucius.
don't worry about it. It's actually gonna be a big day for me. Tiffany starts at Wayne Enterprises.
Tiffany? Really?
Your daughter working alongside you. How wonderful.
Certainly is. Bruce, I'll see you soon.
Bye, Lucius. Can't wait to see Tiffany.
On the way to Wayne Enterprises. And, of course, we're doing it in a amazing looking car.
Good hunting, Bruce.
Look at me, I'm Bruce Wayne. Now you want all this. Oh, hello.
Glad I caught you. I have some good news to share.
Good
What?
to hear it, Regina. It's what I've come to expect, with you as Wayne Enterprises chairperson.
I just talked to the board, and they couldn't be more pleased with how our partnership with the GCPD is going. Seems like you made the right call when you decided to take that contract over the Arkham remodel. The Gazette's running a piece about it.
Look, I would love to hear all the details, but I've got a meeting with Lucius I've got to run to.
Well, I don't mean to pry, but what's in that case?
None of your
Seems
business.
like an odd thing to be carrying around the office.
But I'll say something for
Oh,
Lucius.
this is just something for Lucius.
I see. Well, I've got a meeting I've got to run to.
Honestly,
We'll pick up this conversation
you're
this
nosy.
Sounds great. You're in my chair.
Make yourself at home, Lucius.
Updating the encryption on your bat tech. But if you want me to stop,
No, the seat is all yours.
this is the thing you were talking about?
Yes,
One
indeed.
of Riddler's puzzles. Some kind of test.
Show me.
Open.
Any idea what he's planning?
Not yet. That's why I need your help. If his history is anything to go by, he left us a clue.
Oh, he's left us a
A
trap.
psychological profile of Riddler.
Knowing how his mind works, this should come in handy.
No sign of explosives or poison. Already scanned for that in the cave.
Now, would you look at that? Micropulse waveform.
What's that mean?
And the sound it's giving off.
A signal, maybe? I couldn't decipher it. I was hoping you could help with that.
I'll see what I can do. Shouldn't take long.
What in
It's not one of mine.
So I'm gonna deal with that.
Hi, Dad.
Tiffany?
Hey, Bruce.
My God, Tiffany.
It's been a while.
Sneaking out of orientation your first day?
I just wanted to say hi to my new boss. I got you a present. A micro-drone prototype I developed in my spare time. High-end AV, stealth black shell, programmable for autonomous observation.
How come no one gets
Small,
me these
quiet,
presents?
and super smart. Just like its designer.
Someone give me one of
Not
these
bad,
drones,
huh?
I don't know what I'd do.
Always had a thing for toys. So hard to know what to get a man who has everything.
I love it. Thanks, Tiffany.
Well, I guess it's not bad.
Not bad. See what I had to deal with growing up? Huh. There's something different about you.
There is?
And
Do I
I
look
don't just
taller?
mean what happened to your ear.
Ooh, that was horrible.
I can't quite put my finger on it. But you look...
Please don't say old.
Well, please just don't say old.
Well, now that you mention it.
Hey, play nice. Bruce has had a rough year.
Interesting.
Don't.
Too late, already touching.
Just be careful.
What a strange thing. The circuitry design. It's elaborate and unorthodox. Almost intentionally so. Like whoever put it together was kind of showing off. Huh. Micro pulse waves?
That's the Riddler for you.
This is weird.
Always showing off.
Seriously, what is this thing? I've never seen anything like it. It's like whoever made it.
It's something your dad has been working on. Lucius, care to explain?
Oh, it's nothing. Just an old piece of tech that found
I
its way
just
into-
threw him under the bus there so
Wait,
hard.
What does it do?
That's what we're trying to work out.
You guys are lucky I'm here to help.
Are we?
Help with...
Figure this freakish thing out.
Tiffany did graduate first in her class at Cornell in molecular engineering.
Let me take a crack at it. I can help you get to the bottom of this. Figure out what it does.
We could use the help.
If you think you can help, then be my guest.
Oh, I know I can help. I just gotta let him know that I won't be finishing up orientation.
No problem.
Oh, I was planning on swinging by the manor after work to see Alfred. I heard he wasn't doing so well. Said he was having some issues with his health?
Well, I'll let him tell you himself, but, he hasn't been doing so great since the kidnapping last year.
Oh, no.
Yeah, every now and then his...
That was a dark day.
Hands start shaking. I'd like him to see a therapist, but... You know Alfred.
Strong as an ox.
Well, maybe I can convince him.
Yes, free drone.
Catch you guys later.
Welcome aboard, Tiffany.
Thanks, boss.
All right then. Time to crack this puzzle. I never told her, you know. Told her what I really do at Wayne Enterprises. What we do.
That's fair
If
enough.
you're willing to pull her into this Riddler project, why not consider bringing her into the fold? Into the mission? We're going to need help if we're going to be dealing with the likes of Riddler.
Well, if she's anything like you...
She's better than me.
You know what? That takes
Let's give her
a
a shot.
strong-minded person to admit
Great.
he's worse
Start
off than
thinking about
someone.
how we can broach the subject with her. In the meantime, Riddler's puzzle will be a fine start.
Oh, shall we go down to the lab?
Actually, the equipment we need is down in my office. We'll get this taken care of in no time.
Yes, indeed.
Mr. Wayne,
Yes?
I'm Special Agent Avesta. This is my partner, Special Agent Blake.
Well, I guess I'll see you in a bit. I'll be down in my office.
I'll be down in a few.
No worries. I'll, start without you.
Right, I'm going to leave it off there. Part 3 will be coming soon. Next week or so. Maybe in the next couple of days. Depends. on, because I know people like the Mountain Blade Warband series, so if you like this, let me know, because if you do, I'll play more stuff like it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the suggestions, thanks for the likes, the subscribers, comments, all sorts, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.